Hey guys, welcome to Textures Tutorial. In today's video, we'll learn about how to find the link on Monopoly Go. It is a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's dive right in. So for you to be able to find the link on Monopoly Go, you'll just need to log in onto your Monopoly Go app. And once you're already in, you should be able to see the screen already. You need to head here onto the bottom part. So you should be able to see the friends icon here onto the bottom right of it. You'll just have to click onto that one and you'll get redirected onto this page or this pop-up page. And onto the bottom right again, you should be able to see the invite button. Now onto the invite button, once you've clicked to that, it will go ahead and pop up this screen wherein it gives you an option to see the link already of your Monopoly Go. So you'll just need to copy this if you want to share this with your friends, or there are actually some options as well to choose from where to share this. And that's just basically it onto finding the link on Monopoly Go. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and we'll see you onto our next video.